G'day guys, today seeing that it's a cold day, myself, Leon and Nianai will be making some pancakes to warm us up, our tummies, our bellies, eh?
Our stomachs.
Our stomachs. So hello Leon.
Hello.
So hello Nianai. Okay, so pancakes, super easy to make, but yeah, we've got this nice just wait quickly. We've got this nice secret recipe. So you can talk quickly?
Well, you can click the like button if you like this video.
Okay, click the like button if you like this video. Loves this YouTube. Okay, so we're going to take a cup of all-purpose flour or cake flour, put it in our bowl.
That's a lot, not the few.
It is.
It's a whole cup.
A whole cup of it. So we like to put all our dry ingredients together.
Yeah.
Then we're going to
I'll do that.
Sure. We're going to take a quarter of a teaspoon and put it in. Oh, no, wait. Put it into of baking powder into the bowl. There we go. There's your whisk, my love.
She doesn't even she only chews at it with her gums.
Yes.
And we have a brand new news that I'm growing new teeth.
Yeah, Leon's actually
growing up.
Yeah, he's taking out some teeth and some new ones are coming.
I already have 7 out.
Yeah.
Maybe
and now
like
we're gonna add a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
A pinch of salt for good luck, no?
But there's never salt on pancakes.
Yes, there is. Okay. So now what we're gonna do?
Guys, if you can see my sister, she's kind of silly.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do?
It's kind of like the caveman playing with a club.
Yes, we're gonna add some. What do you call it? We're gonna add all the wet ingredients into the bowl. Wait, Leon, you can do it now. Just give me a second, please. Yankee, wait.
I'll hold it.
Okay, you're gonna hold it. So we're gonna add
milk.
A cup of milk.
Let's throw it in.
Not yet, please.
Warm
cup
water.
Of water. No, cold water. It's just after having a baby, we use only the boiled water for doing cooking and
Can I
everything.
do it now?
Just wait quickly, Yankee. Let me just finish first. Then you add 2 eggs.
Guys, if you want to see our YouTube channel, you can just click on the other videos that are coming next week.
And what is our YouTube channel called? Can you remember?
Kids Cook.
Yeah, cooking.
Kids.
Cooking with Kids Made Fun. That's our YouTube channel. Mine and Leon's.
Well, guys, it's actually my YouTube channel.
Oh, it's Leon's YouTube channel.
Not Mom's. I thought of making like another YouTube channel name. Because we're not going to be cooking. Someday we're going to be cooking again and not.
Yes.
Sometimes we're going to be making new videos.
Yes.
Like not cooking, but building stuff like a cat house, a dog house.
Okay, let's quickly just talk about what we're doing here. So now we've got the egg, egg, water, milk mixed together, and we're gonna add like a drop of oil to the mixture.
You always add oil to your pancakes.
Yes, definitely.
You always eat pancakes to your breakfast. Sometimes I even eat it for lunch.
Yeah, but that's when we make American pancakes. And we're going to add about 2.5 ml.
Tomorrow we're going to make American pancakes.
Okay.
So you can watch that video.
Then we're going to add 2.5 ml of vanilla essence. That is really
I'm gonna throw it
the trick because it gives it such a nice flavor. There you go, Nianai.
You know we're still thinking on the baby's name.
Oh, we're still thinking?
Yes.
And the baby's already here?
Yes.
Okay. In the meantime, we're also switching on our pan to start getting warm. Okay, Leon, you can throw it in and we're going to whisk it. Just add it slowly because you don't want to have lumps. So you can throw it. Thank you, Mama. Okay, just wait quickly. Mommy wants to make this smooth paste. So
if you can see, this is kind of gross, but you can do it with your mom.
So literally we're making it into a smooth paste first.
Yes.
Otherwise have your cloth ready because it's a messy job.
And kids, when I come back from my sister's house,
You can add a little bit more.
we're gonna be making cookies.
Right.
And we're also gonna be making a giant cake
Yes.
and cookies.
So we just add a little bit more until you reach your desired consistency.
That kind of looks like yummy toothpaste.
Yeah, and it needs to be super, super smooth.
Hey,
What does that mean? Super, super smooth. There must be no...
soft.
Yes, and
Like
no...
Play-Doh, like Play-Doh.
Like Play-Doh, like no lumps in there. So we're just adding oil in the pan so long so that it can...
Remember when I had green Play-Doh from my surprise 5 bowl? It was super sticky and green.
Yes. So you can see now that it's becoming nice and smooth. And we're going to add more liquid.
Hey, that's my
Is
job.
that your job? I'm so sorry. We're going to add more liquid.
Can I do?
Yes, you're going to add all the liquid. Thank you, my love.
All of it.
All of it, thank you. And now it's become super, super smooth and a beautiful
It kind of
consistency.
looks like porridge. It kind of looks like porridge that I ate once in my daycare.
And then, okay, and then melted butter, around about 25 grams of melted butter. So we're going to add that to it and just mix it through. There we go. Put all the
This
dirty
is my
dishes.
mom's idea. She wanted to make this cooking
And
show.
then,
Oh yeah. Until last week.
did we want to make it so long?
Yeah. I wanted to make like other YouTube channels, like yeah.
Okay, now we're going to put it into the jar because it's so easy.
I have to go wash my hands.
Okay.
But
Because
we're not gonna be touching the stuff, so no.
it's so easy to pour it from there. Give me your hands. No? There we go. That's sanitizer.
That
Then
is
Bobby
the
needs
most.
to sanitize as well.
Yes,
For
yes.
safety.
Hey, I did sanitizer when I came back.
No, me too. We washed our hands prior to doing this.
When we
So your pan has all the hot oil in it. You can take a cloth, wipe it out, paper towel.
It kind of
And
smells
up on
like
the sides.
pancakes already.
It does, because this is our pancake pan. It's a hot pan. It's the cheapest pan that you can find, but it's the most divine pan.
Well, if you want to check out our other videos, you can just comment down below what is your favorite food.
Yes.
And then we can cook it.
And then we can try and make it, eh?
Yeah.
So nice and thin like that. The trick of a pancake is that it must be thin. It must not be thick. Yes, eh? Mustn't be thick now, eh?
Just, it doesn't have, it's not going to be like thick as those.
Flat chunks, American pancakes. Yes.
It has to be flat like a regular pancake.
So it will cook on the one side,
flat.
if you can see.
Flat as Play-Doh.
Flat as Play-Doh.
And
And you can
stickers.
take your spatula and give it a good turn around. Or if you're really adventurous, you can flip it in the air.
If you want to.
Yes.
But I already once saw an episode, and then a pig flipped the pan, and the pancake fell on top of the roof. And
Really?
it sticked, and
We're
then
almost done here now.
and it fell down right on the pig's head.
What?
Yeah. So
It's our
you.
first one. And Sissy's getting a little bit agitated.
Yeah.
So we will show you.
Can
just
I
wait,
do the
Lovey.
mixing? Do?
Yes. So we're just going to show you one more
And
quickly.
then
There we go.
tomorrow we're gonna be making American pancakes, so stay tuned for that video.
Okay. And then this mixture will make around
It
about.
doesn't
Just
because
wait, Leon. This recipe will make around about 8 to 10 pancakes. So when you're done, you can just sprinkle it. I always have my
sugar.
sugar and cinnamon ready.
That's
mix.
my favorite in pancakes. I'm gonna just start eating.
This is your one.
Yes. Can I begin?
You may. back. And Sissy's very anxious because she loves her pancakes as well. No, she hasn't cut a tooth yet. So actually she shouldn't be eating it. What do you think? Good. The best, eh?
Yeah. Not as good as American pancakes. But this is also good.
Okay.
Just as good as it.
Okay. So guys, if you have some leftover, for example, please wait, thank you. If you have some leftover, like curry mince or spaghetti bolognese filling, it's delicious in there as well. So you can have a savory one as well.
Hey, that's also my one.
Yes, but can Sissy try some as well?
My hers first.
Okay, this is hers now, okay. She can just try it.
This is going to be hers. You can eat that.
Okay.
I don't want another one because I know I'm just getting full.
Okay, so cheers. Cheers.
That's my mom's one.
Let Sissy try. Sissy, you want to try this? Give it to mommy. This pancake. How does it taste, Sissy?
At least it's not mine.
So that's what we are up to
At least
during
it's
this
not
lockdown time. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Dat was het beste video. Niet zo lang zoals die